Vision Pro is making bold moves, I would say. They already cutting production costs and they're cutting just a lot of outbound of these Apple Vision Pros. So there is going to be a scarcity and a limited source, which is insane and can somewhat be a marketing tactic because this can build on certain creators, certain devs getting their hands on this Apple Vision Pro and obviously outlandishly just creating content for more views and to just be able to farm for virality, overhype, and constantly market this product. Now, Apple Vision Pro took a while already to like get created fully. There's a lot of delays in it. Then the official announcement, and it's still a long time from now, and they're still really debating on those dates. Now, here's where it gets real interesting though. When it actually does come out and there is physical product in the stores, what Apple Vision Pro is going to be doing is you're going to have to be able to make an appointment in order to actually try this on. Now, how that's going to work, I don't know. Like, is it going to be tons of people in line? You had to literally make an appointment to be able to do this. Now, I'm sure they're going to have like somewhat of a pre-scan. I don't know if they have to like check how much money you probably are going to need, or I don't know how that process is going to go, because basically making an appointment, there should be like some pre-screening in terms of like what you can do, what you're allowed to actually have, so you can be somewhat of a great solid, like a great candidate to be able to get this headset. I'm not just going to let everybody in the back room be like, all right, here, you can try this out. You'll just be wasting your time and your day, and you would be really leewaying certain consumers. They're going to complain. They're going to want to order it online. So it does say right here in reports that exclusively sold in Apple stores and on Apple's website. Unlocked. It will be in stores and on the website though. So in case people get impatient and waiting in store, then they can actually go on the website. Not sure how people are going to want it really transferred and shipped over to them. I, for one, do not want anybody handling that package, no matter how much Apple care I do have. I might want to be in that store trying to get the headset and making sure that there's a pre-order or something. So they do plan on adding a special Vision Pro section to its stores with demos and fitting tools for prospective buyers. Usually they're probably going to be attacking major cities like New York, LA for sure, in order to have these types of screenings, and their high-end tech is obviously for high-end consumers. They always look for this to leeway into not trying to commercialize virtual reality. They're just trying to get people transitioned into mixed reality and augmented reality. Also, they have been told already from just their early testers that Vision Pro was too heavy after multiple hours of continuous use, now saying that people with smaller heads struggle to wear the headset for more than half an hour or so. That's a really tough situation to be dealing with right now. So I don't know if they're going to have an adjustment to these head straps, or I don't know what they're going to be adding on later on, but that's a tough thing to be dealing with, especially when comfort, right? You know, a Quest 2 lasts about a little over 2 hours also. The Apple Vision Pro is known to be about 2 hours, I believe, at that cost. I mean, the cost differences are major, and they're also actually tethered to a battery versus while Quest actually has its own rechargeable internal battery. The assumptions are that these slower rollouts are going to be due to the issues with headsets in mass production, cutting the costs, and early testers and devs just saying certain things about it. Now, it's not all completely confirmed, but there is a lot of truth to it. Apple Vision Pro at the end of the day is still always going in the right direction and the right route for future technology. The only thing it does lack, obviously, is not really actual games, but they have Unity and Rec Room going in on board towards an Apple Vision Pro, at least in what to offer for leisure and gameplay. Now, this is fully spatial computing and fully entertainment. So whatever else they do next, that's going to be like a huge process and what they're trying to do and what route they're trying to really take. Now, their stamp in this is just making sure that this is the next iPhone. This is the next MacBook. This is the next era of technology. I think what Mark Zuckerberg has done with Quest is trying to do this metaverse and trying to do Web3 and a lot of the blockchain and all NFTs that are going on and just online type situation, digital real estate, which is all true. It's kind of all, I don't know, everybody's kind of shooken up in all this. There's not a clarity route and everything's kind of just a free-for-all. Apple Vision Pro is trying to really gain that access to be like, hey, this is the route if you want to really tap into the next era of technology and leewaying into, I guess, this Ready Player One type world. Y'all gotta let me know what's up, man. Apple Vision Pro, they're still making bold moves, appointments, scarcity, and I believe they're doing that in a great tactic too, in order to just really up the hype, have it in certain people's hands, let them hype it up, especially these content creators, and then let them go crazy with it, man. So I appreciate y'all. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. Peace.